Today, we're unboxing and exploring the MHT 9044 temperature and humidity jumbo display controller offered by Multispan. Let's begin with the unboxing of the display. Here, we can see that the display comes in nice and sturdy packaging, ensuring that the product reaches the user in safe and secure way. As we open the package, the first item that we can see is the MHT 9044 device itself. Next we can see the user manual, which will guide us in operating the MHT 9044. You can also find the humidity sensor and clamps and mounts for the sensor in the box. The display comes with humidity sensor, and for temperature sensor there is provision of attaching a RTD PT100 sensor. Users should note that temperature sensor is to be purchased separately as it comes with a standard packaging. So this was about all the box content of MHT 9044. Next we will see that what all specifications are offered in the device. The key features that are offered in MHT 9044 are as follows. It has dual display setup, a 4-digit red LED for temperature and a 4-digit green LED for humidity, ensuring excellent visibility. As we discussed earlier, MHT 9044 has sensor compatibility of PT100 sensors for temperature -99 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius and a dedicated humidity sensor. It has 2 relays available for controlling the process. Relay 1 is for temperature and Relay 2 is for humidity. Both are ideal for on and off control. It has high accuracy of ±1% of full-scale deflection for reliable performance. MHT 9044 operates on 100 to 270 volt AC or 24 volt DC, making it versatile for various setups. So this was about all the specifications that are offered in MHT 9044. Now, let's see that how we can actually operate the device. So viewers, MHT 9044 is designed and configured in such a way that operating it can be a piece of cake. Following the shown steps, user can easily operate the MHT 9044. 1. Connect the PT100 temperature sensor and humidity sensor to their respective inputs. 2. Configure the desired temperature and humidity levels using the control panel. User can set the set points using the buttons given on the front side of the display. The on-off control mechanism activates the relays to maintain the set conditions. Here user can refer to manual, which is available with the display in order to configure the display. 3. After setting all the parameters and connecting the sensors, user can monitor the real-time readings on the bright dual display for quick updates. So this was all about the working of MHT 9044. The MHT 9044 is perfect for a range of industries as shown. In food processing for ensuring optimal storage conditions. In pharmaceuticals for lab and production unit control. In greenhouses to maintain ideal growing conditions. In textile industry for controlled manufacturing environments. HVAC systems for efficient environmental regulation. In warehouses to protect goods from temperature and humidity variations. If you're looking for precise and reliable environmental control, the MHT 9044 is an excellent choice. So viewer, this was all about the MHT 9044 offered by Multispan. Hope you liked the video and thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product overviews and tech tips. See you next time.